Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today's dry fire exercise is a rifle exercise. So I shoot manual action open, and I'm a southpaw when it comes to long arms. So I've set up a drill where I've got 5 different targets set up downrange. Well, that way. And I'm going to do them as follows. 2 targets standing, 2 targets crouching or kneeling, and then another target standing. And I'm going to do that both from my left shoulder and from my right shoulder. Now, the idea here is to get better at manipulating the rifle, particularly with my offhand. So let's run through it a few times and see how it goes. So there you have it, a simple drill which lets me train on target acquisition, on target transition, on manual of arms, really. It works, and I've been finding it a very useful aid, and I feel like I'm a lot more stable in my weapons drill now, particularly when I'm shooting from my right shoulder. Now, is that really necessary? Yeah, probably not, but it certainly doesn't hurt, and it could be a great help. The ability to shoot from either shoulder, even though I'll generally be shooting from my left shoulder, being able to shoot from my right shoulder and to reload and do all of those things is a good thing. That's everything I've got for you today. As always, I hope you're keeping safe. I hope you're getting some practice in. And this too shall pass. And until then, let's just, make sure that life keeps going on. Until the next time.